This video will show you how to find your signal strength in field test mode, which is the first step to boosting your connection and fixing dead zones fast with external antennas. Thick walls and other structural obstacles often block mobile signals, creating dead zones indoors. External antennas bypass these obstacles, and signal boosters bring strong connections indoors. Step 1 is to find the best signal. Walk the perimeter of your roof using field test mode or open signal to locate the strongest outside signal. Do not skip this step. The core components of the system are the external antenna, which captures the signal booster that processes and amplifies it, the internal antenna that broadcasts the signal, and the coaxial cable that transmits it. When choosing an external antenna, consider your location. Directional antennas, like Yagi or LPDA, are best for long-range and rural areas as they point at a specific tower. Omnidirectional antennas capture multiple towers and are better for city environments. Internal antennas shape your coverage. Dome antennas cover central, open-plan areas. Panel antennas direct the signal down long hallways or into specific rooms. Step 2. Mount the external antenna as high as possible, away from obstructions like trees and buildings. Position it away from the roof surface to prevent signal reflection. Point directional antennas directly at the nearest cell tower. Step 3. Route the cable indoors using thick, low-loss 50-ohm cable like LMR 400 to minimize signal loss. Route through attic vents or drill through walls, and seal all external entry points with silicone. Step 4. Set up the indoor equipment. Place the amplifier in a central location with good ventilation. Then connect the external cable to the amplifier unit. Follow the critical oscillation rule. Separate the inside and outside antennas to prevent signal feedback loops. Maintain at least 20 feet of vertical distance or 50 feet of horizontal distance. Step 5. Power on and test. Connect all final indoor components and turn on the signal booster. Test data speeds and call quality in previous dead zones to confirm the fix. For very large homes, consider these pro tips. Use splitters for multiple indoor antennas. Install a lightning surge protector on the main cable. Use a 4x4 MIMO setup for cellular modems. The simple alternative to hardware installation is Wi-Fi calling. You must have reliable high-speed home internet, but it allows you to skip the physical hardware entirely. The system architecture involves 5 steps. Diagnose the signal, capture it with the external antenna, transmit it with the cable, boost it with the amplifier, and broadcast it with internal antennas. Master your signal. Never accept dead zones. Use your data and build your network.